Hello and welcome back. So this is part 2 of rigging in motion. From the last lesson, we've talked about the checkbox. This time, we're gonna talk about the pop-up. So let's add a rig. So add object, rig, then let's select pop-up. You will also notice that I have a group in here again with 3 layers or 3 groups. Each of them contains a shape, triangle, circle, and square. So let's do the same. Let's select the 3 of them. Let's drag the opacity to the pop-up rig. Now here on the pop-up, same from before. So this snapshot or this pop-up, you can rename this one. For example, pop-up 1 is the triangle. Then if you click this one, you have snapshot 2 and snapshot 3. Then let's rename snapshot 2 as a circle. Then snapshot 3 for the rectangle. You can add more pop-up here. So just click that one. But be careful because if you click circle and then you add another snapshot, it will be after that circle. So if you want some new snapshot, go to the last one and then click that plus icon. So let's delete those two. Then let's select our triangle here on the pop-up. Then this triangle, let's now adjust the opacity of the other 2 layers. Then for the circle, let's do the same. Then rectangle. After that, we can now toggle between the 3 options here in the pop-up menu. If you want only the triangle to appear, select that one. If you want only the circle, select that one and then rectangle. Another use of the pop-up is doing or adding a divider for your templates. For example, select your rig, then click that pop-up, then this minus icon. Just rename this one and put something like this. Of course, you can add any shape or icon in there. And then when you click this one, publish, I will also publish the other one. And if you go to your project and project, you can now have this divider here. You can also rename your pop-up, for example, shape selection. So something like this. So that's how to use the pop-up rig in Apple Motion.